Well, sir, if you could tell us, you're paying a visit to all the rain-affected areas. Many people are saying that there is no permanent solution. What is the government going to do about this, sir?
See, we are making permanent solution.
Yeah.
When BJP government was there, they have not done anything. I have pointed out about 200 and odd places were there. Now only 44 places there. You see, wherever BJP legislators are there, they have not done any work. All the problems are there in the BJP legislators area only. They have not done any work at their tenure. Our Congress, wherever legislators have won, they have taken up the works and they have completed.
So yesterday you did mention in low-lying areas, basement construction won't be allowed. What are the other measures that are going to be taken in the near future?
Taking a policy decision, I have discussed with the Chief Minister also. Wherever the low-lying area is there, I have to discuss with my town planning people. We will allow, no car parking will be allowed on the basements. All car parking should be above, because yesterday you saw that electorate while taking out the water. So we will allow them to have a additional floor in the higher area.
Okay.
So they should not adjacent to this low-lying areas, they should not have basement, because water will be filled and problem will be created. We don't want that to happen, so we were taking a precautionary measure.
Lastly, sir, encroachments are a big concern. Stormwater encroachments, lake encroachments. Will that be cleared, sir?
That is all been almost 70% we have cleared. Still 30% are there. On the disaster issue, we will see that it will be taken up.
What's your reply to the opposition, sir? What's your reply to the opposition, sir?
Opposition, naturally, they will criticize. They are there to criticize. We are there to do the work.
Well, water woes on one